The other day somebody was asking me why there are no black flowers in the world. If you look around our nursery, you see many different colors in the flower petals, but you do not see any black. You see whites and yellows and reds and pinks and blues and purples, some deep purples, but no blacks. It's not because we don't like blacks. It's just that black is a very difficult color for insects, birds, and bees to see. So it would take a lot of energy of the plant to produce a black pigment absorbing petal and have very little benefit for having done so. So that's really why you don't see black colored flowers in our nursery, or for that matter in anyone's nursery. But if you would, it would be the holy grail of the plant industry, and it would be very well worth your collecting if you did find one. But when you come to Highland Hill Farm, we do have a wide selection of trees and shrubs for you to look at, with many different colorful plants and flowers that attract bees and butterflies and birds. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 if you want colorful plants and flowers from Highland Hill Farm, located in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. And yes, we do deliver and plant to many localities.